Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Art. So today I wanted to share with you guys a few of my monthly favorites. Now this is going to be monthly favorites of 2 months, which is December and January. So so I didn't really use so many products in these 2 months. So this is the reason I have a few of the product with me. But the product that I am really impressed with, without talking too much, let's just get into the video. So the very first thing I wanted to share with you guys is the book that I literally love. And I also put some of the lines from the book as a status on my FB or Instagram, because this book is like so amazing. I can't even tell you. This book is from Amisha Sethi and it says It Doesn't Hurt to Be Nice. Is amazing book. It really teaches you that you need kindness and you need that niceness in your life. You have to be sympathetic, and it just revolves around how you should be happy and how you should take care of the mother nature. I'm so sorry for the noises. How you should take care of the mother nature, how you should take care of everything. It just revolves around everything and also revolves around her life. So this is a must recommendation from my side. Please buy this and read this will make your life awesome. I bet this will make your life awesome. I have read this for like once and I keep reading it like sometimes in between, because I have just done some underlines that these are the main points that I have to remember in my life. So I like this. So I've just done these markings that these are the points that I have to remember in my life, and I keep reading those points from the book. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. You will love it. So the next thing I love is I am using it like ever since I got them. You must have seen in my haul video. By the way, my giveaway is on. My giveaway is still on, and I'll just put the link in the description box for you guys to check the video. In the giveaway video, you will see there is a haul before that. So I got these from Amazon and I am in love with these one. So I literally have been using these two, and in fact I have used the pink one on my cheeks. You cannot see it because of the light, I guess, but I've used very little amount of this. This is so pigmented and it's so good. I love it. If you see the swatches and everything, I'll put the link in the description box of my giveaway video. So you will see in the haul video I got these from Amazon. Also from the haul video, I recently got these banana shampoos and conditioner and I love them. I wash my hair twice, and I've used this twice or thrice, I guess. I have been loving it. You use it once and you will realize the softness. Your hair will feel like they're live, like literally they're live. Otherwise I feel like my hairs are almost dead and I'm just using them. But this shampoo really did wonders. I love this one. So this is from the Body Shop banana shampoo. This is the shampoo, this is the conditioner. Smells like heaven. Other thing that I literally love is I recently bought a very cute bracelet from, there is a website called Inziba. I got this. This is like so affordable website if you want to buy some jewelries and accessories. I got this pretty bracelet with the charms, and the quality is like really nice. I love the quality. I love the shine. It's just so perfect. I love the color. Like this is the gradient ombre effect going on. This is the lightest. Then the pink. I love it. Like I literally love it. And this was somewhere around, I guess, I don't remember it. I'll put the link in the description box if you guys want to buy this one. The website is amazing. There is, I think, some young girls that are running the website. You can get clutches, you can get everything. It is amazing. So I'll just show you. This is you look at the charm, there is this, wait, I'll show you. I love this one. Like, I literally love this one. I haven't wore it even once. Waiting for the right occasion because I just love this one. So you the charms. We have camera. Can you put this on focus? We have this chain tassels. Then we have this cubicle, very nice, I don't know what we call it, stone kind of thing. This is in circular, this is in pink, and then this is in the diamond kind of shape. And there is this flower also. I love it. I literally love it. And specifically the packaging. The packaging is like so cool, so pretty. You can just put it into your bag. It's very travel friendly, and you can also use this afterwards. Like, not only for this, you can use this to keep your earrings whenever you're traveling. Just take this package, put all your earrings, and you're good to go. Put it in your bag, sorted. So the next thing that I love is a lip shade. Sorry for that. So this is the Lakme Absolute Matte, and it is in the shade Wild Berry. Literally love this one. I literally love this one. I'm wearing it on my lips, but I didn't go like too dark, like 2-3 coats. I just applied like 1 coat. This is such a pretty shade. Like, I was using this in my Mashobra trip day and night because this is like perfect for winters, perfect wine shade. Let me just show you the dark swatch of it. It is this. I love this shade. I love this shade. This is the Lakme Absolute Matte, a Wild Berry. The other thing I love is this eye palette from NYX. This is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, Palette Ombre, and the color is Smoky and Highlight. 16, there are 16 colors. Yes, there are 16 colors. The color, I don't know, they didn't give the name, I guess. It is USP01, and then I don't know. Forget it. So the palette is like awesome, like so pigmented. It's somewhere around, I think, 1800. I bought it from Nykaa. I got it as a gift basically. So this is somewhere around 1800. I love the colors. There are so many different colors available. I also like the one, you know, I'll put the link down below. There is also a color in this with all the bright neon and all the bright colors. I love that one. That is on my bucket list. I have to buy this. Specifically after seeing like the pigmentation of it, I have to buy this. And I'm also thinking of doing a review, a detailed review of this palette on my channel in another some time. I'm thinking of doing that with the look also. So I'm going to put like around 2-3 looks using this palette. I've already used this palette in one of the makeup looks that I did in Lodi. So that was the olive green eyes that I did on Lodi. So I'm gonna link that description. I'm gonna link that in the description box. Do check out that video as well. You'll get an idea how I used this palette. The detailed review will be coming very soon. The next thing I love is, now I happen to visit a store which is in the Sangam Courtyard. It is near Vasant Vihar. There is this newly opened mall kind of, which doesn't really have any shop to shop, but it has all the, you know, cafe, Delhi Heights and stuff like that. So there is a shop called The Fragrance People from Melbourne. I recently got this aroma oil. You know, you can see I have that blower. I mean, it's there. I have that, you know, what do you call it? Aroma oil diffuser. So I love this one. Like, I love this one. I haven't seen any aroma oil which, you know, spreads its fragrance in a minute. You know, in a minute, my whole room. There is a lobby outside my room, and there goes a stairs to the second floor of our house. All of it, like full of the fragrance. I love it. You just put 2 drops of it and you are done. And I got it for 200 rupees. This is in the shade. Okay, I'm used to it. This is in the Forever fragrance strawberry. I love it. I love it. Love it. This is, I mean, out of everything that I have here, this is my favorite one. This is like my favorite one. I love it. I love it. The other thing that I got from this store is the Fragrance People from Melbourne. This is the This is the anti-stress pillow spray. It says that it has essential oils that calm and clear your mind for a truly restful, peaceful slumber. It is a pillow spray, 8 ml of the product, and this is for 150 rupees, I guess. This was for 150 rupees. Yeah, 150. So all you have to do is you just have to spray a light mist over the pillow or your sheet for the authentic aromatherapy experience. There was a day I used this, like I've used it, and it's kind of nice. You go like a very peaceful, like a peaceful sleep. It's very, you know, calming. It's really nice. It's really nice. I remember one day I just couldn't sleep. I was awake till 5 o'clock in the morning, and I was like, why can't I sleep? Why cannot I sleep? And then I remember, oh, I got a spray, and I just took it out and I sprayed all over my pillow, and then I laid down and I just went on for sleep. I don't know whether it's magic or I don't know, but I went on like for sleep, and it's so good. This opens like this. I like the packaging as well. So this is the cute tiny bottle. It says the anti-stress pillow spray. I got it in the fragrance peppermint, and there was one more, peppermint, lemon and orange. There were other fragrances also available, but I think that peppermint and orange and lemon is like very refreshing kind of, so I got it. I love the fragrance, and when I wake up in the morning, my eyes and my face, it smells great. I am literally telling you, it smells great. It smells great thanks to this spray. I like this also. So this is a very different thing that I have never seen. Maybe you have seen this, but I was the first one to witness a pillow spray like this. I like it. I have kept the best thing for the last. I love this one. This is, I mean, I can stare this for like good 1 or 2 hours. It is this pretty. I love this bag. Specifically the detailing of this bag, you know, these studs and the tassels, the perfect size of it. I love it. I got it from Koofs.
Bali, dogs everywhere. I have no place to go. There are dogs everywhere. There are dogs everywhere, and I love dogs, so don't complain. Don't complain.
I got this bag from Koofs, and this was somewhere around 1500, I guess. I don't remember, and now I cannot find this bag on Koofs anymore. I don't know why. I think the product got sold off, but I literally love this bag, and I want to do, after this bag, I really want to do what's in my bag tag. I'm like that excited. This is the color. I love everything. It opens like this. Also comes with this, so you can make it crossbody. You can make I love. You can make it crossbody. You can make it like a sling. You can use it anyways, but I like to use it sometimes as a clutch. I love it. You just hold it, and that was it. Now coming on to the movies that I literally love. Now I watch back-to-back movies. Like in a day I finish sometimes 5 or 6 movies. That's how I am. And then I forget their names. That's how I am. So, the one movie that I literally love and I always recommend all of my friends, you guys also, do watch Me Before You. It's a very nice movie. Me Before You. It's such a stunning movie. Such a stunning movie. You will love it. Such an amazing movie. It's a romantic movie. It's a little saddening also. I don't know. It's a little sad also. But I love that movie. You have to watch it. I mean, Me Before You, amazing. Specifically the song of the movie, like the songs of the movie. I love them. The song, currently favorite song would be Lamborghini from Diljit Dosanjh. I love that song. I literally love that song. Whenever I wake up, I go to YouTube because I didn't have that song in my phone. I go to YouTube and I listen that song. Lamborghini ne kitna fire gediyan jariya ni janiya friend mein to teriyan ni pota pota pinje piya ayala mundaya paave chan to sunakha tera muh. You have to listen that song also. I know, obviously Diljit Dosanjh sabne suna hoga. I am saying that you have to listen that. You must have heard that song. Okay, it's such an amazing song. I love dancing. And also Popleen. I love that song from Diljit. Okay, I'll start rambling all over Diljit Dosanjh. Okay, I'm so excited. Can you see the blush? I mean, I'm literally blushing. Okay, so I am that crazy, you know. If you know me, you will know how crazy I am. Okay, so that was all of my monthly favorites. Guys, to participate in the giveaway, I'm gonna announce the winner on 7th of February on my Snapchat, and I'm gonna post the same on my Facebook page and my Instagram. I want you guys to subscribe to this channel and keep loving, keep supporting. Bye.